Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Skype issues. To know how to find a solution about Skype issues, you should just go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. After that you'll enter to the window of Skype. When you'll find this list of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll go to click on storage. Here we click clear cache. You will find this list and you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again, or you can go to your airplane to turn on, as you see here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.